అసోసియేషన్ వాళ్ళందరిలో వ్యక్తమవుతూ ఉంది. మరి ఆయనకి ఎన్ని బిరుదులు ఇచ్చినా కూడా సరిపో. వారు మాకు చేసినటువంటి సేవలు మరవలేనివి. చాలా చాలా జ్ఞాపకాలను మా మధ్య వదిలి వెళ్ళినారు వారు.
A key person who plays the ball role, and he can really don any kind of thing that is being given. If we cannot emulate it, it's not possible at all. We also just have to celebrate, for all the things that he's done. Thank you very much, Tatya. You have done a lot. My first interaction with you was during our Petty Day. You just nonchalantly came and just served food to Emmanuel. We can always have the ego, I'm a very big person and all. But that is another thing that you really have done, and you showed how down to earth people should really be. Thank you very much, and I request everyone to come from this side of the stage so that we can do the Pushpanjali to Tatya. So thank you very much for all of you to come, and we can keep talking. I know it will take maybe a week before we really to end all the stories that we know about him. But thank you very much, and appreciate all of you to come in this weather, in this tough weather, and come to celebrate his life. Thank you very much.